Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Do you live in Montana and at the same time love birds and would like to have a bird guide, bird book, or field guide which will teach you about bird identification? If you're a native of Montana that loves nature and birds, then the Birds Montana Field Guide will be the perfect product for you. This is a very informative field guide that is created by Stan Tequila. Learn about and identify birds by using this field guide. This item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. This item is a real pleasure to read, whether for kids or even adults. This is a great way for anyone to learn about the birds which are found in the state of Montana. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, or the library. This item also is user-friendly while it is very informative. Easily read it with the easy-to-use format. You don't need to know a bird's certain name or even classification in order to easily find it in this bird book. The long wait is over. You can have the Birds Montana Field Guide today at a very affordable price. And see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Montana. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.